This is Blades and More. What we have here is a review of a CRKT Columbia River M16-10KS folding pocket knife. This knife is the smaller version of the classic M16 by Columbia River. I picked it up at Lowe's just recently for $19.99. I saw it there and I thought I had to give it a try because since I have carried and enjoyed its larger brother M16 for years, I was interested in seeing what this one was like. It's lightly built in that it just has a stainless steel handle, which also doubles as the liner. Flipper. Let me give you a few quick specs on it. It is just a little over 7 inches long, 7.062 inches. The blade length is just a little over 3, it's 3.06 inches. It has a combination, small serrations on the blade. The steel is 8CR13 MOV with a 58-59 hardening. The blade thickness is 0.098. The closed length is 4 inches. The weight is 2.75 ounces. Has a stainless steel handle. With a point down carrying clip that can go either right or left hand side. Flipper. It's the Carson design. Carson series. Let me give you a comparison to its larger brother, the bigger M16. It doesn't quite have the feel or quality of the larger one, but it's still a decent little solid knife that could be used for some more heavier duties. Construction work, camping. I have a large to extra large hand and I can really only get probably 3 of my fingers around it. There's some jimping on the back of the blade. Has a frame lock. Has thumb studs that also are used as stops, blade stops. So it's just a decent little knife. And I thought I'd do this quick review on it. Okay everybody, thanks a lot for watching. I would appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel by hitting this little circle right here. Alright, bye now.